it's Jaylene from WTI, and I'm really loving my new Owala water bottle. I take it with me everywhere and it keeps me hydrated all day.
So this particular Owala water bottle is in the size 24 ounces and it's in the color Shy Marshmallow, and I really like it because it's very easy to disassemble to make sure you get a deep cleaning of the bottle. You can remove the straw and even the top of the cap. And I love that it has two options to sip. You can use the smaller hole for the straw or the bigger hole to chug. So as you can see, the water bottle is really easy to put back together. You can put the straw back into the hole and screw the top back on, and your water bottle is good as new.
So if you're looking for a new water bottle that's not too heavy and you want to keep your water with you at all times, it's perfect to take to work, to school. And this Owala is also for seal proof, so no water will spill or make a mess. I think you really like this Owala water bottle, and that's my point of view.